all of my helpers are busy today, so I'm just doing a quick drive-by. So I just hosed this thing off. It hadn't been detailed or anything. So, this water in here is just where I hosed it off. But looks over pretty good. There you can see the high torque starter. That's a Japanese gear reduction starter. These aftermarket mirrors that the previous owner put on are totally useless. I've got this seat tilted back just so the camera could work. As you can see, it's pretty clean in here. Trunk. This is just these the carpet needs to be glued in a little better there on the sides, but here's the extra mini light in the back, a brand new tire. It's probably about, yeah. So yeah, it's a pretty nice MGB. I don't know if you're gonna find a nicer one. And you can see, like, the paint is, it's so good the camera doesn't know what to focus on. Again, you know, just a water drop there. It was restored 10 years ago, so, you know, if you look, you can find a little scratch here and there. Here's one, as a matter of fact. And there's a scratch here above this backup light. I think that's about it. Pretty nice little car. Okay, bye.